Very good morning, all of you. So this is political science class. So in this class, just I will overview of all the syllabus of political science. This time we are going to discuss about that modern political system. So under modern political system, there are 5 blocks. Especially modern political system, which helps to know the different constitutions in the world. Especially here, particularly they were mentioned 3 constitutions, so that we are discussing in that whole syllabus. First module, which relates to the introduction of modern political system. So under that we have to discuss meaning and introduction of that modern political system. And after that, second concept under modern first module, so that we are discussing about the constitutionalism. Constitutionalism in the sense, so today almost all the countries in the world, they are working with a democratic system, that means people's government. So here under constitutionalism means that governments means which is working with that rule of law, not in rule of people. So that we are discussing under constitutionalism. So under first unit, introduction, so we are discussing meaning and introduction of modern government and constitutionalism. Next, second block or second unit, here we are discussing that constitution of United Kingdom, UK or England. So while we are discussing that constitution of United Kingdom, we can make comparison with that world's other constitution or with our constitution, Indian constitution. Anyhow, so we had discussed the Indian constitution last year, first semester. So we had already discussed almost everything about that Indian constitution. We can make, when we are discussing that United Kingdom's constitution, we can make comparison with that Indian constitution. In United seconds, we are going to discuss salient features of United Kingdom's constitution, England constitution. What are the features of England constitution? What are the sources of England constitution? What is the nature of England constitution? That will be we are going to discuss under second module. First concept. Next one, it's a legislature similar to that Indian constitution, that UK constitution, which is also implemented the bicameral legislation or legislature system to UK. So there are 2 houses in their legislature, and UK legislature, which is also called as parliament, popularly known as parliament. Indian legislature, which is also popularly known as parliament, and Indian legislature also, it's a bicameral one. Bicameral in the sense 2 houses in the parliament. In United Kingdom, there are 2 houses. One is, we call it as a House of Commons, and second one is House of Lords. These are the 2 houses, similar to the Indian Parliament. In Indian Parliament, we already had discussed in last semester, first semester, last year. There was 2 houses of Indian Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So somewhat it's a similar structure, India and United Kingdom's constitution. Next we are discussing that executive under second unit, executive in the sense. So here we are discussing about Prime Minister of United Kingdom and Council of Ministers of United Kingdom and Crown. So in India it's a similar structure. In India we are discussed Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and President. So next we are going to discuss the judiciary of United Kingdom. So under that we are discussing organization of judiciary and role of judiciary. So these things which covers under block number 2nd. So that means we are discussing about that overall system of United Kingdom system constitution. Next, third one is United States of America. In third unit or third block, we are going to discuss that American Constitution, USA Constitution. Here also under that, first we have to discuss that features, salient features of American Constitution. And one of the difference between UK, India and American Constitution, India and UK Constitution, which is a parliamentary system of democracy. So that Constitution, it stands under parliamentary system of democracy. But USA Constitution, which stands under presidential system of democracy. So that is one of the major differences between these 2 countries. Under United States of American Constitution, we are discussing salient features of that American Constitution under first concept, and after that American legislature, which is popularly known as American Congress, as similar in India and UK, which also have bicameral system. Bicameral in the sense 2 houses in the American Congress or American legislature system. So that two houses are House of Representative and Senate. So these are the two houses in American legislature. Next we are discussing executive, which is somewhat different from India and UK legislature. So here the president is a powerful one. So he is a powerful in American executive. So then we are discussing what is the pattern of election of American president, term of American president, succession and powers and functions of American president. So these are the two some of the functions of American executives. Next we are going to discuss the judiciary, American judiciary. So here we are discussing that organization of American judiciary and jurisdiction and powers and functions of American Supreme Court. So these we are going to discuss under unit number 3. Next, unit number 4. So here we are going to discuss the People's Republic of China, the Constitution of China. Here also, that first aspect we are going to discuss salient features of Chinese Constitution, especially that 1982 constitutions. Here they are particularly mentioned that Chinese Constitution, the salient features of 1982 Chinese Constitution. And next, legislature. Under that, composition, powers and functions of that National People Congress and its standing committees. That we are going to discuss under legislature of Chinese constitutions. Next, executive. Here also it's a presidential form of government. President is a powerful. So under that we are discussing organization, powers and functions of state council. Next we are discussing it's a judiciary system. So under that, courts and people's courts decisions, that we will be discussing under that judiciary system. Then last unit is there which relates to that party system. So here we are discussing with that all three countries party system, United Kingdom's party system, introduction of United Kingdom or British party system and its features, and introduction of American party system and its features, and introduction of Communist Party and its features. So these are the brief about all syllabus of third semester BA Political Science. Thank you.